Hedge fund Bracebridge invests over $430 million in spot Bitcoin ETFs. The American hedge fund Bracebridge Capital has informed the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) that it holds Bitcoin ETF shares worth $433 million. Bracebridge holds shares in spot Bitcoin ETFs from issuers such as ARK21 Shares, Grayscale, and BlackRock. According to Bloomberg Intelligence, the distribution of spot funds in Bracebridge's portfolio is as follows. ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, RKB, $262 million. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, $81 million. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF, GBTC, $20 million. The firm manages endowment funds for Yale and Princeton universities. Based on the provided data, Bracebridge is the largest holder of ARKB shares, indicating a new level of acceptance of digital assets among traditional financial market representatives. A new benchmark has been set for holders of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Boston's Bracebridge Capital has disclosed owning $262 million in ARKB. They've clearly caught the bug. If you manage money for prestigious Ivy League universities, you're at the highest professional level. Quite a catch, commented Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas. Previously, another SEC filing revealed that traditional banks and institutions have started actively investing in the spot BTC ETF sector. For instance, Swiss investment bank UBS Group AG recently invested $145,600 in IBIT, buying a total of 3,600 shares. Another banking giant, Edmond de Rothschild, holds IBIT shares worth $4.2 million in GBTC shares worth $82,100. Meanwhile, the technology company Susquehanna International Group has invested over $1.1 billion in several spot Bitcoin funds. Most of the investments were directed to GBTC, with the firm injecting $1.09 billion, purchasing more than 17 million shares. The Chicago-based investment firm Hightower has also increased its investments in spot BTC ETFs, with its investments in the new instrument totaling $68.35 million. Nevertheless, another Bloomberg analyst, James Seifert, urges the crypto community not to assign supernatural significance to these trends. According to him, the fact that these companies hold these shares does not necessarily indicate a change in sentiment among traditional financial representatives. Companies like JP Morgan or Susquehanna, which also owns ETFs, hence attracting so much attention, are simply market makers and/or authorized participants. That they hold shares in spot Bitcoin ETFs does not necessarily mean anything, he explained. Despite growing interest from institutional investors, the performance of American spot Bitcoin ETFs in May has been unimpressive so far. According to Soso Value, only 3 days of positive inflows have been recorded since the beginning of the month. On May 3, the net inflow was $378 million, and on May 6 and 8, it was $217 million and $11 million, respectively. The rest of the time, funds steadily flowed out of the new instrument. The worst day for Bitcoin funds was May 1, when they collectively lost $563 million.